Hello everybody! Today we are going to learn how to pronounce the sound TH, which sounds like F. How do you know if you are pronouncing it right? It's easy. You can grab a little piece of toilet paper and put it in front of your mouth. If the toilet paper moves, it's good. A good way to practice this kind of sound or any sound that you like is through tongue twisters. You can put a lot of words that contains the sound that you would like to practice and say it as fast as you can. In this example we have, I was thinking about the thorough thoughts that thoroughly fill my thin mind. It doesn't have to make sense, you just have to practice the sound that you need. Let's practice this sound with these three words: thin, thick, and your favorite subject, math.